Progress continues. Now that the vent window is in, I can start putting the door panels on. So this is going to be some trial and error for a little bit. I have this water-resistant paper that I've put on, which is somewhat similar to what was there originally. I was thinking of putting plastic, like a modern car has, but I think I'll just stick with this. Then I have to attach the door panels, which has nails that stick out. Unfortunately, there's no way I can get in there to crimp these back up. So where the nails went through before, they're spread. So hopefully I don't hit those points. Failing that, I will try some Velcro, 3 strips I think on the edge. It's held in the bottom by this clip, and there's a corresponding clip on the door panel that fits in there. The window frame holds it clamped at the top, and it has a couple of clamps or brackets here that it's supposed to slip over, and I have to cut those holes yet in the door panel, and that holds the door panel in a curve. And here's the window trim for the passenger door. I have to put the felt on it yet, which goes between the glass and the frame, and this side is held on with staples. So I'll just be using wire, loop of wire drawn through and wrap it up at the back. Since I don't have anything that can drive staples that particular size, and through the metal, which is what they did in the factory. But I've used wire loops on other parts and it's worked out just fine. So I've made this from the original, bent it, cut it, trimmed it. As I said before, this one is held on with staples throughout. So I will drill holes in this strip and line them up and thread wire through and use that as a staple. I'll be using this wire, which is mild steel, but it can be tightened quite well, so the piece will not drift off or get twisted or anything. I'm using a 1/16 drill bit, and it's important with a drill bit this small to get it as close to the chuck as possible so it doesn't break. If it's out here, it will break. It's easy to twist it and end up with too much shear force sideways, and then it will snap. Ask me how I know. There it is. Things are starting to look up. Starting to look like a car again. There's the door with the window frame, vent window. All the rubber is in place. I've started on the seat track bottom. So the driver's seat sits on there, and the uprights bolt into that center bracket, and a pivot on the outside here. You can see right there. Windlace fits well. Headliner looks good. That windlace in there looks good. Not bad for an amateur. Don't look too close.